Deleting messages for everyone on your iPhone. I'm going to show you how you can remove accidental text from both your side and the recipient side using the built in unsend feature. So, to get started, open your Messages app and find the conversation containing the text you want to remove. Tap and hold down on the specific message you sent. If you are within the 2-minute window of sending it, you will see an undo send option. Tap that, and the message will disappear from both your device and the other person's device instantly. Keep in mind that if more than 2 minutes have passed, the undo send option will no longer appear. In that case, you can tap and hold, select more, and use the trash can icon to delete the message from your screen. But please be aware that this will not remove it from the other person's side.